stone. Breathe. Ooh, you want to see something cool? What's this?
We are easily amused.
Aren't we?
Yes.
Indeed.
I need to be in this video. Hello! I'm imitating the song, so I don't have rabies or anything, don't worry.
See? Look at the cool visualization.
Ooh. See, you could do that instead of like getting on your Facebook or doing your homework too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what this is good for.
Yeah. I don't want to do my homework. I'm gonna watch.
Or for drowning out neighbors.
Drowning out. I don't know.
What?
I don't think that this soothing image really accompanies
Okay, let's see this video.
Oh. I'm being a retard.
What, you never turned it on?